Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve some practice questions based on work, energy and power part 5. In today's lecture we will solve questions from 45 to 56. Clear? Disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iit.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, question 45. A body of mass m is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 kg is moving in a medium and experience a frictional force F is equal to minus kv square. Clear? Its initial speed v naught is equal to 10 meter per second. If after 10 seconds its energy is 1 by 8 mv square mv v naught square, the value of k will be what? So here question asked about the value of k. So given options is option A, option B, option C and option D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So given force F equal to minus kv square and acceleration is equal to minus kv square divided by m. Clear? So dv upon dt is equal to minus k divided by m v square. And solving this term, you will be get dv upon v square is equal to minus k m dt. Clear? Now with limits, we have this equation. Clear? This equation. And solving this integration term, you will be get 1 by v is equal to 0.1 plus kt divided by m. Clear? And solving this term, you will be get 1 plus 1 divided by 0.1 plus 1000 k. And v equal to v naught divided by 2 is equal to 5. Clear? After solving these equations. So 1 divided by 0.1 plus 1000 k is equal to 5 and cross multiply this k is equal to 0.5 divided by 5000, then k equal to 10 raised to the power minus 4 kg per meter. Clear? So this is the answer. Correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 46. A uniform chain of length L and weight W is hanging from its ends A and V, which are closest together at a given instant, and B is released. The tension at A when B has fallen at a distance x is less than 1 by 2. Clear? So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So we know mass per unit length lambda is equal to m by L. Clear? Which is equal to W divided by Lg. And velocity v square equal to 2g x by 2. For solving this term, v equal to under root gx. Clear? Change in momentum when an element dx falls is w divided by lg under root gx dx. Clear? And solving this term, you will be get f equal to w divided by L multiplied by X. Clear? Where dx upon dt is equal to under root gx. So tension at A is equal to weight of half the chain plus weight of x by 2 length plus F. Clear? So solving this equation, you will be get W divided by 2, 1 plus 3x by L. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Clear? Next question, question 47. A body is moved along a straight line by a machine delivering a constant power. The distance moved by the body in time t is proportional to what? The given options: t raised to the power 3 by 4, b option t raised to the power 3 by 2, c t raised to the power 1 by 4, and d t having power 1 by 2. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So P equal to constant. Clear? So FB equal to P, where P equal to force into velocity. Clear? MA into V is equal to P. This is the formula we already know. So VA equal to P by M. And solving this term using the given terms, you will be get integration 0 to V square dV is equal to integration 0 to S P ds divided by M. Clear? Assuming at t equal to 0, it starts from rest. That is from s equal to 0. Or we can say V cube divided by 3 is equal to P divided by M multiplied by S. And solving this term, you will be get ds divided by dt is equal to k s power 1 by 3, where k is equal to 3p divided by m whole power 1 by 3. Clear? And again, solving this integration term, you will be get s having power 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to kt. And solving this term, you will be get s is directly proportional to t, it is the power 3 by 2. Clear? So this is the correct answer. Clear? B is the correct answer. Clear? Next question, question 48. In a collinear collision, a particle with an initial speed v naught strikes a stationary particle of the same mass. If the final total kinetic energy is 50% greater than the original kinetic energy, the magnitude of the relative velocity between the two particles after collision is what? Given options is A option v naught by 4, B option under root 2 v naught, option C v naught by 2, option D v naught divided by under root 2. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So momentum is conserved in all type of collisions. Clear? Final kinetic energy is 50% more than initial kinetic energy. So half mv2 square plus half mv square is equal to 150 divided by 100 multiplied by 1 by 2 mv naught square. Let this is equation first. This is the before collision. Clear? Before collision. After collision, this is the after collision. The conservation of momentum gives mv naught is equal to mv1 plus v2, where v naught is equal to v2 plus v1. Let this is equation second. From equation first and second, we have v1 square plus v2 square plus 2v1 v2 is equal to v naught square. Clear? And solving this term, you will be get 2v1 v2 is equal to minus v0 square divided by 2. So v1 minus v2 whole square is equal to v1 plus v2 whole square minus 4v1 v2 is equal to 2v0 square. Clear? So v relative is equal to under root 2 v0. Clear? So this is the answer. This is the answer. B option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 49. A mass m moves with a velocity v and collides inelastically with another identical mass. After collision, the first mass moves with velocity v divided by root 3 in a direction perpendicular to the initial direction of motion. Clear? Find the speed of the second mass after collision. Clear? Given options: option A v, option B 3 under root 3v, option C 2 divided by root 3 into v, option D v divided by root 3. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So in x direction, applying conservation of momentum, we get mu1 plus 0 is equal to mvx. So mv is equal to vx, where vx is equal to v. Clear? And before collision, v divided by root 3 m. Clear? In y direction, applying the conservation of momentum, we get 0 plus 0 is equal to m v divided by root 3 minus v vy. Clear? And solving this equation, you will be get vy is equal to v divided by under root 3. Clear? Velocity of second mass after collision v prime is equal to under root v prime divided by root 3 whole square plus v square is equal to under root 4 by 3 v square. Here v prime is equal to 2v divided by root 3. Clear? So this is the solution. So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 50. The potential energy function for the force between two atoms in diatomic molecule is approximately given by this. U of x is equal to A divided by x raised to the power 12 minus B divided by x raised to the power 6, where A and B are constants and x is the direction between the atoms. If the dissociation energy of the molecule is D equal to this. Clear? So what is D? Given options is A is B square divided by 2A, B option B square divided by 12A, C option B square divided by 4A, and D option B square divided by 6A. So which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So the given is u of x is equal to this. U of x is equal to this is the given in the question. When x approaches infinity, u equal to 0. Clear? As f equal to minus du upon dx. So putting the u in this equation, you will be get 12a divided by x raised to the power 13 plus 6b divided by x power 7 minus. Clear? At equilibrium, f equal to 0. So x being power 6 is equal to 2a divided by b. Clear? U at equilibrium, solving this equation, you will be get minus b square divided by 4a. Clear? So d is equal to when x approaches x is equal to infinity minus u at equilibrium is equal to b square by 4a. Clear? So d equal to b square by 4a. Clear? So correct answer is b square by 4a. Clear? So C option is correct. Clear? Next question 51. Under the action of force, 3 kg moves such that its position x as a function of time t given by x is equal to t cube divided by 3, and when x is in meter and t in second, then work done by the force in the first 2 seconds is what? Options A is 8 joule, option B 16 joule, option C 24 joule, option D 30 joule. So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So here m equal to 3 kg and t equal to 2 second. So x equal to t cube divided by 3. Let this is equation first. And work done w equal to integration dw is equal to integration f dot dx. Let this is equation second. Clear? Differentiate equation first with respect to time, then we get dx upon dt is equal to 3t square divided by 3. Clear? So dx equal to t square dt or v equal to t square. As dx upon dt is equal to v is equal to velocity. So dv upon dt is equal to 2t on differentiable relation. A equal to 2t, dv upon dt is equal to a acceleration after solving the previous term. So f equal to mv. Clear? Is equal to 60. Hence, work done, put the value of f and dx in equation second, we get after solving 24 joule. Clear? So 24 joule is correct answer. Clear? 24 joule is correct answer. C option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 52. When a rubber band is stretched by a distance x, it exerts a restoring force of magnitude F equal to ax plus bx square. Clear? Where a and b are constants. The work done in stretching the unstretched rubber by hand L is what? So given options A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So we know that change in potential energy of a system corresponding to a conservative internal forces as U final minus U initial is equal to minus W is equal to minus F integration F dot dr, where U final is final internal energy, potential energy, or U initial, UI is initial potential energy. Clear? Given F equal to AX plus BX square, we know that the work done in stretching the rubber by hand L is this. Mode of dW is equal to F dx. Clear? So mode of W is equal to 0 to L AX plus BX square dx. Clear? And solving this term, you will be get mode W is equal to A L square divided by 2 plus B L cube divided by 3. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 53. A spring gun having a spring of spring constant K is placed at height h. A ball of mass m is placed in its barrel and compressed by a distance x, where shall be place a box on the ground so that the ball lands in the box. So which one is correct? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So From law of conservation of energy, we have half mv square is equal to half kx square. Clear? Solving this two equation, v equal to under root kx divided by m. Time taken to fall t equal to under root 2h by g. Clear? This is the time taken. Clear? So horizontal distance traveled is d equal to vt. Putting the value of v and t, you will be get under root 2 kx hx divided by mg. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? KHX mg. Clear? Under root KHX mg. Under root KH 2kh x by mg. This is the correct answer. B option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 54. A particle of mass m is projected from the ground with initial speed v naught, u naught at an angle alpha. The horizontal at the highest point of its trajectory. It makes a completely inelastic collision with another identical particle, which was thrown vertically upward. Clear? From the ground with the same initial speed u naught, the angle that the composite system makes with the horizontal immediately after the collision is. So which one is answer? A pi by 4, B pi by 4 plus alpha, C pi by 4 minus alpha, option D pi by 2. So you have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So from momentum conservation equation we have this. Clear? Final momentum is equal to initial momentum from the momentum conservation. And solving this equation, you will be get 2mb. Let this equation first. Clear? And h equal to u naught square sine square alpha divided by 2g. Clear? Let this equation second. From equation first and second, we get v is equal to u naught cos alpha divided by 2 I cap plus u naught cos alpha divided by 2 j cap. Since both components v are equal, therefore it's making 45 degree horizontal. So A option is correct. Clear? A is correct. Next question, question 55. Two small particles of equal masses start moving in opposite directions from a point A in a horizontal circular orbit. Their tangential velocities are v and 2v respectively, as shown in figure. Between collisions, the particles move with constant speeds. After making how many elastic collisions other than that at A, these two particles will again reach the point A. So which option is correct? A 4, B 3, C 2 and D 1. So you have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So at the first collision, the one particle having speed 2v will rotate to 40 degree. Clear? While other particle having speed v naught will rotate 120 degree. At first collision, they will exchange their velocities. Now, as shown in figure. Clear? After two collision, they will again reach at point A. This is the figure. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is correct option. Clear? Next question. This is the assertion reason type question. Directions. Each of these questions contains two statements. Statement first, assertion, and statement second, reason. Each of these questions also has four alternative choices. only one of which is the correct answer. You have to select one of the codes A, B, C, D given below. Clear? So, statement first is the two bodies, ignore this thing. Two bodies of different masses have the same momentum and their kinetic energies are in the inverse ratio of their masses. Clear? Statement second, kinetic energy of the body is given by the relation K equal to half mv square. Clear? So given options is this. So which option is correct? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Let's find the solution. So according to principle of conservation of momentum, m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. That's why v1 upon v2 is equal to m2 upon m1. Again, kinetic energy first divided by kinetic energy second, equating this to, you will be get m1 upon m2 multiply m2 upon m1 whole square is equal to m2 upon m1. So kinetic energy is inversely proportional to m. Clear? So first answer is correct. Clear? Thank you.